This is my intro. This is my intro. What's up, you guys? It's Alexa and welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a very long time since I posted a BTS video, but you know what? 'Tis the season because their world tour is in like a month. But yeah, anyway, so their world tour starts really soon. So I figured it would be the perfect time to show you guys some tutorials on some DIY BTS world tour merch. So I'm not gonna be doing any posters or fan signs or anything like that. I'm actually gonna be showing you guys some things and ideas that I feel would be useful for the actual tour, you know what I mean? Before we jump into these tutorials, I do want to announce that I am partnering up with W Concept for their final BTS World Tour ticket giveaway. They are giving away 2 tickets to 1 lucky winner for the LA show at the Staples Center on September 8th. If you guys don't have tickets yet, definitely enter to that. It's the same rules as the first one that I announced before. All you have to do is sign into your W Concept account, purchase anything that you guys want in the store, and then comment on that page who your bias is. Obviously, like if I was entering, it would be Tay, aka V, because you know he's my bias. Tay is bae. That's why I have like a freaking Tay crown, because it's like, it's a BTS video, so I had to wear something BTS, you know? So I decided to make a crown. Okay, I'm so annoying. Anyways. So this giveaway is happening now and it ends on August 5th. So definitely make sure you enter into that before it ends. Oh, also, very exciting. So the clothes that I will be featuring throughout this video are clothes from W Concept. And the great thing is that some of the items are items that BTS has worn before. I was dying, literally dying when I was like, oh my gosh, Suga has this shirt. Oh my gosh, V has these pants. Like, I was like, so it was great. I will put all the info, like the clothes for W Concept and their giveaway, down in the description box so you guys can check that out. And yeah, without further ado, let's jump into these tutorials. Also, if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next time that I post. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So we're gonna start off simple. So for this tee, you need scissors, t-shirt print material, a long sleeve tee, and an iron. Print and cut out the fake love t-shirt design. Honestly, you guys can use whatever design you want, but if you guys want to use the same design, I will link it down at the bottom for you guys to use. The sleeves are a little tricky because when you lay it flat, there's like a sleeve seam that's always in the way. So all you have to do is shift the center of the sleeve just a little bit so that the seam is more to the side, and then you guys can place your letters and iron it on. Iron according to your t-shirt print instructions and carefully peel the backing. Personally, I found it's best when you peel it while it's still hot, but you never know. It might be different for some people, so just check and see whichever works best for you. And is this really a Navarose tutorial if I don't turn it into a crop top? Like, come on. So, of course, that's what I'm doing right here. And originally, I wanted to put Love Yourself instead of Fake Love down the sleeves because, you know, it's the Love Yourself tour. But I felt that Love Yourself would have been a little too uneven as far as lettering goes. So that's why I used the Love Yourself flowers and just Fake Love. I kind of messed up on the ironing, but you can't really tell from far away. But like up close, it's like, yikes. Okay, honestly, if you don't have a BTS pop socket, what are you doing with life? Just kidding. I'm totally kidding. But for this, you need scissors, clear tape, rhinestones, which is optional, E6000 glue, a Sharpie or a marker, mini tweezers for the rhinestones, a mini BTS logo, pop socket, and paper for the background. First, trace the pop socket out of your desired material and glue it to the front. Then cut out the little BTS logo templates, which I will also link down at the bottom. You guys can technically use computer paper for the logo, but I wanted it to stand out a little bit more, so that's why I used the back of the metallic paper. Place the logo on the center and add tape over the entire thing. Press firmly and cut off any excess tape. Bedazzling is totally unnecessary, but I thought it matched well with my phone case, and also because it made it less noticeable that my logo is off center. Oh, my bad, totally my bad. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it for this pop socket. I personally have never had a pop socket before, it's gonna get wild, it's gonna get crazy, and the last thing you want is your phone to just like fly out of your hand. This is like a must-have, and I also realized that my BTS logo is a little off-centered. But it's okay because it's bedazzled and it's pink and it's like amazing and it has BTS on it, so it's beautiful in general, you know. Next, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a mask. All you need for this is a pair of scissors, some pins, material, the mask template, which I will link down below, and a matching fold-over elastic. First, cut out the mask. Then pin and cut 2 layers out of your material. By the way, this is the scrap from the shirt of the first tutorial, if you guys could not tell. So ideally you guys want to buy fold over elastic for this tutorial, but I did not have time to go to the store and get some, so I just decided to make my own. All I did was cut strips of the material and then I folded it into 4s. So this is what fold over elastic looks like, and it's great because literally, hence the name, you just fold over and then it's done. Next, sew a straight stitch along both sides of the stacked pieces and then invert it. So basically what you need to do next is just open the elastic, sandwich the mask piece in between, and then repin it. You only need to do this for the top and the bottom of the mask. Make sure to leave loopholes on the side for your ears as well. Sew down on the elastic with a zigzag stitch and sew the 2 ends together when you're finished. You're more than welcome to put whatever design you guys want after. I decided to just do the BTS logo outline because it's, you know, kind of minimalist and it's not like too crazy. But you know what, after I ironed it, it just ended up becoming a hot mess, so it's like not cute at all. Do whatever you guys want, put your bias's face on it, keep it plain, whatever. But honestly guys, it's so much easier to buy these things off of Amazon because it's so cheap, it's so stinking cheap. But you know what, a lot of you guys were requesting it, so that's why I decided to do a tutorial on it. Alright, if you're as extra as I am, then you definitely need this bedazzled bottle carrier. The materials you need are a plastic cup, white paint, a paintbrush, E6000 glue, a piece of clear vinyl, heavy duty scissors, pliers, 2 large jump rings, chain, rhinestone chain, or whatever strap you want, and a tool to poke holes with. I couldn't find my usual tool, so I'm just using a drill for this tutorial. The first thing you want to do is draw where exactly you want your windows to be cut, and then you use your scissors to cut this out. I made sure to leave 2 little side walls for structure so that it doesn't fall. I also love how I went straight for the unicorn's neck. I didn't even realize I was doing that. That is so terrible. Then you want to paint the entire cup with white paint. I used about 2 coats because this cup was like really bright, so I made sure to really cover that up. Place the vinyl on the outside of the cup and trace around the window for a better fit. Cut the piece of vinyl out and any excess material and glue it to the inside of the cup. While that's drying, add any rhinestones or trim or whatever you want to add to the outside of the cup. Use your tool to poke a hole on each side of the cup. Then you want to thread your jump ring through and use it to attach the strap. After that, I just cut strips from the rhinestone straps and then I formed the letters BTS and then I glued this to the outside of clear vinyl. You want to let this dry completely before using it. Honest, I was a little iffy about showing this in the tutorial because I'm like, would people even like use this, you know, BTS cup holder? But I just wanted to be really extra. You know, I would even wear this just for the world tour. Like I would use this for the life tour, you know, just like everyday life and whatnot. Just sporting bedazzled BTS bottle holder thing. You want your hands available as much as possible because you never know, like if BTS like comes out and like you have like your hands full with your water bottles, like you need to put your water bottle somewhere so you can go run and hug them. Like that will never happen, but I'm just saying. So this would be very useful, and I completely just broke it right now. And lastly, I'll show you guys how to make these gold BTS pins. For this tutorial, you need Shrinky Dink paper, BTS logo printout, which will be linked at the bottom, gold chrome tape, large brooch pins, and scissors. First, cut out your logo template, then use the template to cut the logo out of the Shrinky Dink material. You can either trace it, or you guys can use my usual lazy method by just taping it down and cutting it from there. Place these into the oven and follow the instructions to bake them. Afterwards, they should be about 2 inches tall and a lot thicker. Cut a piece of tape and place the front of the brooch to the back of the tape. Cut excess material along the top and the bottom edge of the logo. So for the smaller corners, you want to cut 90-degree slits or little 90-degree corners. That way you guys could fold over the top, the bottom, and the side flap without any of the tape showing from the front. It's kind of hard to explain verbally, but I mean, if you watch the video, it would kind of make a little bit of sense, right? You know? For the larger corners, cut it at a slant so that when you fold it over, it won't show from the front. Add E6000 glue to the pin and attach it to the brooch, and after that you're pretty much done. You guys can literally attach this to anything, like a fanny pack, a backpack, your clothes, jacket, dog, mom, brother, sister. I'm just kidding. But literally you guys could use this for anything. Like I'm gonna make a million of these, I promise you. Okay, but guys, can we like just take a second to talk about how this is the same shirt that Suga wore, and I'm so excited because I have the same shirt now, and he's my bias wrecker, and yes. Still obsessing over these gold BTS pins, obviously. Now I'm obsessed with this whole outfit because Suga shirt and BTS fanny pack. Yes! I am so ready for the world tour. I'm gonna make a million of these BTS pins, and I'm gonna just like stick them everywhere and like stick them on all my clothes and my backpacks and my bags and just like everyone else's stuff too. It'll be amazing. I'm gonna make them in every color, like silver, rainbow, holographic. They're just like the best in the world. So that concludes my DIY BTS World Tour merch video. If you guys enjoyed this video and like these tutorials, please give it a big thumbs up to let me know that. And also, if you guys are going to any of the World Tour shows, comment down below which ones you guys are going to, because we might be going to the same one, you never know. So I do want to do like a little meetup to these shows, like for any rosebuds that happen to be going to the same shows as me. I'm going to the LA show on the 5th, the Texas one on the 15th, and the Chicago one on the 2nd. So if you guys are going to any of those shows, let me know, DM me on Instagram, and then I'll start like a little cute group chat, so then we can like meet up and stuff. I'm pretty sure there's not going to be much of us, but it'll be fun to just like meet up and be like, hey, we love BTS, like etc. I mean, like everyone that's going to be at the show obviously loves BTS, but just saying, like at least like I'll know people there because I'm actually going by myself to all 3 of them, so yeah. None of my other friends are BTS fans, so it's all good. I'll just go by myself. Who cares? Fine. Also, don't forget to check out W Concept's giveaway and enter into that, especially if you guys don't have any concert tickets yet. I'll put all that info at the bottom so you guys can check that out. If you guys want to connect with me on social media, all my socials are at thenavarose. Other than that, I think that's it. I love you guys all, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!